Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for all my Virgos. It is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every Virgo, but if it resonates with you, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. What is happening with Virgos? What is going on with Virgos? What is going on with Virgos? What is going on with Virgos? A lot of major arcana. You're unable to make a decision right now. I believe that someone is offering you something. Someone is offering you a commitment, a relationship or something like that, but you're unable to make a decision right now. You feel very stuck. Okay? Because your intuition is telling you some other things. If you're listening to your intuition, I believe that if you listen to your intuition, you'll make a decision quickly. You might be dealing with a Libra, you might be dealing with a Leo or a Taurus or another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You definitely have to make a decision, but you're taking your time. You're gathering your strength. You're taking your time to make this decision because it is important for you. Okay, this decision is very important for you. So you're using all your power, you're using all your energy, all your intuition to make this decision. Let's see what this decision is about. What is the decision that Virgo has to make? What is the decision that Virgo has to make? A lot of Queen energy. There was a heartbreak. Okay, there was a heartbreak in the past, or you're still going through an heartbreak, and I believe that the decision that you have to make is whether to let go of this person or not. All the signs, almost all the signs are going through an heartbreak. Like, what is happening? You want balance in your life. Okay, you want balance in your life, you want stability in your life. I believe that there was a heartbreak in the past, and now what I feel is like it is almost over, but still you're having inner conflicts in your mind. Okay, there's some inner conflict in your mind that is stopping you from making the decision. That's why you're the hanged man. You're still hanged. Okay, you're still stuck on something because there are certain conflicts that are going on inside your mind. I don't believe that these are outer conflicts. I believe that these are inner conflicts. These are the conflicts that are taking place in your mind. You should definitely listen to your intuition. See, the Queen of Wands, the High Priestess. So all the cards are telling you that please listen to your intuition. Okay, please let go of the past. And if it is you who caused the heartbreak of someone, if it was you that who caused the heartbreak, then please apologize to that. You have to gather the strength to apologize. Please note that energies can be vice versa. So cross watchers can keep that in mind. Energies can be vice versa or interchangeable. It doesn't always have to be in one way. Okay. Okay, I believe that someone broke your heart, or maybe you broke someone's heart because there was no balance in your relationship. You thought that this relationship won't go on for a long time, and it is still disturbing your peace of mind. Okay, it is still disturbing your peace of mind. It took a lot of your courage to make this decision. It took a lot of your courage to let this thing go, but it is still disturbing your peace of mind. This past is still haunting you. It is more like the past is still haunting you. What is going on with Virgos? What is going on with Virgos? What is going on with Virgos? Yep. You had a breakup in the past. Definitely. And a breakup that shook you. Okay, there was a breakup that shook you. You considered someone as a soulmate, or the other person considered you as a soulmate, and it ended. Okay, it ended on bad terms, and that is causing you a lot of pain. That is causing you a lot of pain. That is causing a lot of confusion in your mind. You might be dealing with a fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. Okay, a lot of strong Leo power over here. Or you might be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But you have to let this go. Okay, you have to let this go for your peace of mind. Please make a decision. I believe that you'll move away from this. If you listen to your intuition, if you'll gather enough emotional intelligence, you'll move away from this. You'll move away from this situation. But you're still waiting. Okay, because you considered this person as your soulmate, and something happened in the past that your relationship spoiled on bad terms, and you're still waiting on them to return. You still think that things can work. Okay, and I believe that things can work. Okay, there's nothing like a certain person was cheating or anything like that. Sometimes the timing isn't right. Okay, when the time is right, you may meet that person again. Okay, you just have to stay strong right now. You just have to stay strong, and you have to end this inner conflict that is going on in your mind. If you're waiting for someone, it is okay. If you believe that they're your soulmate and things didn't happen in a good way, it is fine. Okay, sometimes things don't work how we expect them to. But disturbing your peace of mind because of this won't make it any better. Okay, I believe that your person might come back. Okay, I believe that your past person might come back. If now it is up to you whether you'll take them back or not, but I believe that either they are going to come back or you're going to contact them again. What is the advice for Virgos? What is the advice for Virgos from the universe? What is the advice for Virgos? Wait, a card fell. Again, we have the Queen of Wands. Okay, we have the Emperor. And we have the Five of Swords. Please don't look back. Stop looking back at the past. Whatever happened, happened, okay? No one can change that. I know certain things hurt and you're still thinking about it from time to time, but please don't look back at that. You should have confidence in yourself, okay? You should have confidence in yourself that you deserve stability, you deserve happiness, and you deserve everything that you want. You should have faith, okay? You should just have faith in the universe. You'll get that. Just don't look at the past. When the timing is right, the person who is meant for you, they'll be here. And I'm getting a very strong energy that your past person is going to come back in your life. Now it's up to you whether you accept it or not. What is the challenge for Virgos? What is the challenge for Virgos? Also, with the message card, I would say that believe in yourself. Okay, please believe in yourself. What is the challenge for Virgos? What is the challenge for Virgos? Please, Virgo, don't overthink about it. Okay, please stop thinking about it now. The Four of Swords. Strong air energy. Please stop thinking about it. Just have some rest, okay? Just have some rest. and then make a decision. And even if you're not ready to make a decision right now, just keep things on hold. It is fine, okay? It is fine for you to feel things. It is fine for you to go through certain things. It is all fine. It is all natural. It is all human. Okay, please rest. Take some rest. Take a break. Go on a vacation with your family. You can go out with your friends. Have some fun. But please don't overthink about this situation. Okay, Virgo, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.